So before getting into the picking pattern, let's get into the chords first. You're gonna need a G, a D, an A7, C major 7, same chord, but now your ring finger goes up 1 fret, so it's like a C sharp major 7, up 1 fret again. You can stretch it, you can use your pinky, you can let go with your pointer finger. You're also going to need, so I guess like from the C7 you can just this pointer finger on the D string, that's a chord in this. Also 1 over, so on the A string. You'll hear it once we get into the whole part where he's like. So for the chord progression, you can like strum along to it if you really want to, but obviously he's finger pricking it, so it's G, D, C major 7, then just pick your ring finger up for 4 bars, C7 again, so middle finger back on, G for 2 more bars, D for 2 bars, A7 for 2 bars, C major 7 for 2 bars, C sharp major 7 for 2 bars, 1 bar on that C major 7 over D, C major 7, this one, back to G, and it just cycles over for pretty much the whole song. So now that we know the chords and the chord progression, let's go over the picking pattern. The picking pattern is essentially just Travis picking. I'm going to go over what fingers to use and strings to pluck, but starting off on the G, pluck the low E with your thumb, pointer on the G string, thumb on the D string, middle finger on the B string. So far we have he quickly switches over to the D, and we're going to do the same pattern, starting with your thumb on the D string. Thumb on the D, pointer on the B, thumb again on the G, middle finger on the high E. And it's just those 4 notes per chord for the start. The rest is, he throws an extra note in there, and you'll see that in a sec. So far we have a C major 7. So what he does there, thumb on the A string, pointer on the G string, thumb on the D, middle finger on the B, waits like a split second, then pointer on the G string. So it goes. So after the C major 7, just lift off your middle finger and do the same thing for 4 more bars. For 2 more bars, he goes back to the C major 7, so just put your middle finger right back down. back to the G for 2 bars, but now he's gonna go back instead of just the 4 notes plucked. So thumb on the E, pointer G, thumb D, middle finger B, pointer G. D for 2 bars. Thumb D, pointer B, thumb G, middle finger E, pointer B. Now is when he goes to the A7. Easiest way for this song is probably just to bring your fingers over 2 strings. And you're only using 3 strings for this picking pattern. So thumb on the D, pointer on the G, thumb back to the D, middle finger to the B, pointer on the G. So and he does that twice again. Sorry. C major 7, same as before for 2 bars. C sharp major 7, bring the ring finger up. And now is when he goes into the part. So we go C major 7, C sharp major 7, bring that middle finger up. It's the same picking pattern for these, but you only do it 1 bar. C major 7, then just bring your pointer finger over to that A string. You can probably do an E minor, but it's just easier just to go. And then you go with your pointer back to the D string, G. So I'm going to go over the whole song, super slow, calling out the chords as it go. So G, D, C major 7, lift your middle finger, middle finger back down, G, D, A7, C major 7, C sharp major 7, D, C major 7, that one, open A, back to G. So a little bit faster now. And I guess full speed it gets pretty tricky, and it takes you a while to get it, but Wax and Wane, Peach Pit, there you go. Have fun with that one. It'll keep you busy for quite a while. So, yeah, have fun.